Hello, one and all. Welcome back to Lego Monkie Kid episode 5 and 6 of season 2. I think this is where it's going to start picking up, just from like the episode description, so I'm really excited. And I took a sneak peek into season 3. I didn't watch anything, just read the descriptions. It looks really interesting, so I can't wait to get there. Also, sorry for the squeaking chair. I don't know how to fix that. Like, that my microphone's picking it up really bad, and every time I try to fix it in post, it makes all the audio sound like shit, so I'm going to try to not move around as much. Just did it. So, yeah, we might just have to deal with that. I'm so sorry. I don't know, it's gotten worse in the last few videos, but hopefully it's not too much of a problem. Alright, let's get into it. Oh, Monkey! He's back!
Monkie King! It worked!
Hey, bud.
Oh, he's learning!
You're not astral projection, huh?
Yeah, and I only had 5 nosebleeds. How's your vacation?
Wow, what a relaxing vacation. Being stuck in a Temple of Doom trap. But it's fine.
I don't know. Maybe work on shrinking your staff?
Oh, you mean like this?
Oh, that's a pull. That's an avatar pull. Fucking avatar pull, alright.
Myself? How the dog am I meant to learn that?
What are you hiding?
Nothing good. Yeah, just punch it. Yeah, that'll. I can't believe our evil plan is just build evil mech. I know it's a kids show, but like we can like, you know, we can be a bit better than that.
Special guests?
Tang,
Ooh,
get on somewhere.
Fancy!
Beat it, Tang. There's only one guy eating for free today. And that's...
Would that be the food critic Golden Cicada?
Ah, worse than an inspector. Did he say Golden Cicada as in actual Tripitaka? Because, you know, Tripitaka in the original myth, or in one interpretation, was the reincarnation of the Golden Cicada, which was a disciple of the Buddha. And I guess Tang is supposed to represent Tripitaka? It's the only way that he's the only one that maps onto being Tripitaka. But he's so lame. To be fair, Tripitaka was also really lame in the Journey to the West. He didn't really do much. He just got kidnapped and was useless. But if you ate him, you might become immortal. It's a whole thing. Is it him? Is it him?
What a twist!
Here I am, shit talking, and immediately proven right my own lore dump. Golden Cicada is just Tang. I really hate Tang, you know what I mean? Go for the crack. Only good things happen in the crack. Wink wonk.
Yes! Hello?
He's about to fall for the oldest trick in the book. Crying little girl. If you hear a child crying in the woods or in a weird sewer, don't go towards the sound. You leave and then you call the police and make it their problem. Because what?
Hey, what are you doing down
He
here?
died in a horror movie. He died first.
You're the Monkie Kid. Monkie Kid, please!
Yo, he's learning! He's learning! Oh, this is horrifying! Oh my god, this is horrifying! Oh, wait a minute. Don't drop the staff, god damn it.
It's you.
Oh, this is actually horrifying. This is an actual time MK is in real danger, and he's by himself. Shit. I asked for it to get real and it got real. Okay. Holy shit.
Now that...
Every time I see Tang, it pisses me off to no end. Because what do you mean Monkey was fighting for his life? MK, not Monkey. And he's just here. This is literally the Journey to the West. Like Tang or Tripitaka would be like doing something mindless and stupid, or just traveling or trusting somebody you should be trusting, and it'd be up to Monkey or Pigsy or the other one, the fish guy, I forget his name, or the horse to do something about it.
For my inaugural review.
And your list. Get back here, you freeloading coward!
Oh, no, Pixie, have mercy.
This is the first time he's not doing some inane laughing. That tone shift is crazy. This tone shifted the entire, like, series. Because at the end of every episode, usually, they're all laughing and yucking it up. This is the first time MK is disturbed and there's other nonsense happening. I'm very happy. I'm very happy with the shift. Anyway, on to the episode 6. Dragon Ball? Reference.
I'm trying to find something that will make me super, super powerful so I can defeat
He's traumatized.
someone, anyone. He must have left me this game for a reason. It has to contain the knowledge to some unbelievably powerful new ability.
He's gonna overwrite Monkey King's game save and then get his ass whooped when he gets back.
Is it true that if I die in here, I'll die in real life?
No.
Absolutely not. I don't know.
Or yes.
Okay, so...
We're watching
Oh,
MK
cool.
play Baldur's Gate.
Oh no! Chukongli has kidnapped the chief's daughter!
That worked really well. And he will only spam that move until it doesn't work anymore. And then he'll upgrade that move to the next version of it, and he'll only spam that. And then when he gets to the actual boss, he won't be able to do anything because he didn't put any points in anything else. And then he'll get mad and never play the game again. Am I talking about me? Maybe. But, you know, a pretty common gamer experience.
Do you want to learn a counterattack?
The wise warrior leads their enemy into their own destruction.
Finally.
Hold on. Here, I think I got something. Maybe I need to use the Rhino King's own strength against him.
He's gonna break the TV. Those are really good episodes. This one felt like filler, but was also good at like actually being like a small little training episode so we can unlock more powers. And we saw that he actually did pretty much learn a shit ton. He learned what instant transmission, he learned shrinking, he learned a bunch of other shit. So I feel like in the latter half of season 2 is gonna be mostly training stuff. Now that he's seen the actual big bad and is afraid, and he's gonna stop dicking around. I really liked episode 5. Episode 5 was really good because even though MK is still silly, like he has purpose now. His purpose is, I don't want to be killed by Bone Demon. I'm gonna do everything in my power to beat Bone Demon, and I don't want to let down Monkey King, and I don't want to call on him for help. Like, help, beat Bone Demon, because he's on vacation, so he's gonna try to be Monkey King, which will lead to his inevitable defeat, almost killing him, and then Monkey King will show up, and it will be a grand old time. Maybe. That's what I'm assuming. But I really liked it, so I'll see you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope the chair wasn't too loud.